position.
Yan, nag-record.
Okay, give that. Check for consistency. Ready, go. Okay, unresponsive. Sige, walang balay. Automatic, maximum head tilt, center position. Tika lang. Dandahan naman, ha? Okay, check for consistency. Oh, wala ka siya palit eh. Check close and mouth for any size of obstruction. Boom. Obstruction sin. Okay, check breathing for 10 seconds. And then left.
3, 4, 5, 9, 10.
Okay, wala pong hininga ang victim. Breathless. Give to IBM. Initial ventilatory maneuver. Blow. Blow. Air bounces back. Oh, reposition ang ulo. Maximum to neutral, neutral to maximum. Check nose and mouth for any size of obstruction. Oh, no obstruction. Okay. Give another ventilatory maneuver. Blow. Blow. Okay. Air still bounces back. Reactivate medical assistance and transfer. Boom. Reactivate.
Processing the victim.
Tapos na po tayo ng chest compression. Position. 30 chest compression. Okay. Hindi po namin maintindihan na yung kung bigat ang balikat sa inyong ilalagay sa may para nyo para yun ang direct. Ang pwersa. Ready? Tingin po sa victim. 30 chest compression. Ready? Go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Line 1. Hindi ko tayo nagsisimbihan. Chest compression. Okay, check ang nose and mouth. Nose and mouth. Obstruction scene. Use your small finger. Finger swab. Okay, check ulit. Nose and mouth is clear. No signs of obstruction. Give to ventilatory maneuver. Blow. Blow. Air goes in. Blow. And the left. Air goes in. Check for 10 seconds.
1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
Okay. The victim is under cardiac arrest. Reactivate. Reactivate medical assistance.
Medical assistance, facilities report back to the doing CPR.
Ready? Yung sa'yo, tingin sa victim. Hanggang 20, then 1 and 1. Ganun, ha? Yung sa'yo. 5 seconds, 2 minutes CPR. Move!
1, 2,
Tingin sa
3,
victim.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Wait. Hindi po tayo nagmamadali. Alam ko, gutom na tayo. Pero, kailangan po, tamang written ng pagbibigay po natin. Yung pong tibok po ng puso, yung pong ating dapat sabay ang ating compression.
Kita yan.
Okay? Hindi yung Okay? Sa kabila. 1.